Hello again, everyone. Welcome to this week's edition of Focus Vandalia. My name is Rich Hopkins. I'm the communications manager for the city. And on today's episode, we are coming to you from the municipal building, specifically the door right outside our tax office. As we move from March into April, this is going to be a very busy place as tax season hits us. Yes, we are smack dab in the middle of income tax season. And for the Vandalia Income Tax Office, it is hands down the busiest season of the year. Finance Director Bridget Leiter says the load might be a little easier to handle this year, as the department has recently made a big upgrade in its technology.
The new income tax software that we just transitioned to and fully implemented this year replaces a system in the income tax department that we had had since 1985. So it is definitely user-friendly. The reports are everything. We're moving toward and transitioning to a more electronic, paperless, going green office, and we've been transitioning into the last 10 years going toward that new way of processing. And so this system allows us to move more toward keeping up with the technology and going paperless, and it's really cost effective for both the city of Vandalia but also the residents.
The new software package does have a small impact on how taxpayers file their returns. Everyone this year has a new account number that you'll have to use if filing online.
There is a new account number. There used to be a dash, and an R would represent resident or individual. This year there are no dashes. It's just strictly 6 numbers and then the letter R at the end. So we are making sure or encouraging people to read the letter that is sent out every year at the end of January that they would have received about a month ago. In that letter, it's very important to look up the top right, and that's where your account number will be found.
Leiter says if you're not tech savvy or you just want to make it easy on yourself, you can bring all of your materials into the tax office and let her staff complete the return for you.
If you would like to have our income tax office prepare your tax return, you are more than welcome to come in. We have regular office hours. We also have extended office hours that you bring your information. The thing I would just like to mention is making sure that you bring in all of the information that's necessary to have the tax return completed.
By the way, Leiter says there's an important change this year for people who don't have taxes withheld through the course of the year and are required to make estimated payments. She says the due date for your fourth quarter estimate has changed.
As of the 18 tax filing year, which is going to be the 19 season, the due date of the fourth quarter estimate payment will be January 15th.
If you're someone who puts filing off to the last minute, there will be some support available for you, including extended hours in April. On Saturday the 6th and Saturday the 13th, the office will be open from 8 a.m. to noon to help filers, all leading up to a marathon workday for the filing deadline.
The tax filing date this year will be April 15th, so it's actually on the 15th. There's no extended dates this year. It is actually on that 15th, but we will have extended hours around that date to allow people to be able to come in the evenings and on the weekend to make sure that they have everything filed, but we will also be open late that evening as of the 15th, and as long as it's postmarked on the 15th, it will be considered timely filed.
Now, if you have any problems or questions with your tax returns, your best bet is to give the Vandalia Tax Office a call, 415-2240. And when you do call, you won't get voicemail. You'll get somebody right here in this office who will handle the call and get you squared away. That's going to do it for this edition of Focus Vandalia. I'm Rich Hopkins. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.